Today, I'll show you how to add the retro effect to your videos, giving them a classic vintage look that feels straight out of the old film days. Let's jump right in. First, import your video into the timeline and tap on it to select it. Now, head down to the toolbar and tap on Effects. Once you're in the Effects panel, swipe over to the Retro tab. Here you'll see a collection of retro style effects, each designed to give your video that nostalgic vibe. Choose any retro effect you like and apply it to your video. Once it's applied, you can customize it further. Tap on the effect again and you'll see two important sliders, period and opacity. The period slider lets you control how the retro effect moves or animates. Dragging it to the left makes the effect faster, while dragging to the right makes it slower. Then, use the opacity slider to adjust how strong or subtle the retro look appears. Keep it high for a bold vintage style or lower it for a softer, more blended effect. And that's all it takes. You've now added a retro effect to your video in VN Video Editor. Try experimenting with different retro filters and settings to create the perfect nostalgic mood for your project. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick VN Video Editor tips and tricks.